Fucking America, boys. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Really appreciate you watching the channel. Just know that if we're making a video, we're either trying to make you laugh or teach you something. You got some videos worth watching. So I really appreciate all you guys. Everybody who likes and subscribes and shares these videos, thank you very much, because you guys make it. You guys are gonna make or break me right there. So if you guys can share and like these videos and get them out in front of some other people that I can't get them in front of, I really appreciate it. And happy 4th of July. Nothing like being independent, boys. It's still America. I know it's getting a little dicey out there, but don't give up on it. And it's your America. You ain't gotta live it the way everybody wants you to live it. You ain't gotta get involved in all the bullshit. You don't have to deal, honestly, you can avoid all of it, guys. So live and let live. God bless America. God bless Texas. God bless my subscribers. I appreciate it. I'm going to call a few of you out by name because you're always there. Hey, man, Brian Crowley, Evan LePage, Brent Rogers in there, putting in work on the comments. I appreciate it, man. We got some Urbanites Garages in there commenting a lot. And there's more, you guys. Chili Cheese, man. Josh Evans, thanks for subscribing and commenting. All you guys. Hey, Frank the Tank, first subscriber besides Blake, besides my boy Blake. Our boy, hey, Frank the Tank, first dude besides our boy Blake to be on the channel, and he's also a subscriber. Been one, he's like maybe number 5 or some shit. Joey, the dude y'all see, yeah, the guy you're gonna learn to know and love, old Joey B. He doesn't comment a lot, but he comes through. He put together a project for you guys. You guys got a sweet project in your local, I'll give you a hand with it. We'll shine some light on it, and maybe we'll have a good time. But if you need me to fucking clean your carburetor, I'm not taking you serious. You're gonna have to watch one of my videos, clean your own damn carburetor. I won't clean a carburetor for Joe, but I'll help him with a little bit of stuff. But you guys are all my friends as far as I'm concerned. I'm speaking for Blake when I say the same thing, but who knows, man, that mullet, y'all don't get tangled up in that thing. You guys keep watching these videos, because for everything I've done in the past, not a lot of people know me by name, but you guys are making a difference for me, so I really appreciate you helping me out. I'm gonna make sure you guys get set up with some t-shirts and a little swag pack, but you're gonna have to give me a minute because it's pretty hectic over here right now. So I'm doing my best to get you guys the videos. And this was 3rd of July. We did this stuff. Obviously today's the 4th. We're gonna be doing stuff today, but I'm probably not gonna get you a video of it. But hey, guys, celebrate with your families. I appreciate you jumping on board and taking this journey with us, because I think we're just getting started, and I could really use you guys' help. And if you need me, you know how to contact me, getting them comments. I'm replying to them personally. That's me replying to them. So if there's some way I can help, let me know. God bless America, man. Let's keep it nice, tight butthole around here, and don't let anybody, get you to head to Canada. Don't let them. That's what they want you to do. That's what they want you to do. Don't do that. Canada's a beautiful country, but we need to take back what's ours. You guys treat everybody with respect, and treat everybody the way you want to be treated, That's just good advice all around from anybody you can get it from. Just treat people how you want to be treated. That's what America's all about. The land of opportunity, and everybody gets a fair shot. Don't be discouraged by the media. Don't be discouraged by the Rona, and don't be a racist piece of shit, and everybody will be fine. And I'm not just talking to the white people. White people don't be fucking racist. That, I take that more personal. I understand why some other ethnicities may hold atrocities against us, but what I'm saying is, don't be a racist piece of shit, you guys. America is about Americans, and everybody within these borders, we're supposed to get along now. So you guys be vigilant out there and watch your ass and make the right decisions. And there's a time and place for everything. Keep that in mind when you're out there doing your thing. When you're out there trying to make a difference, there's a time and place for everything. And there's not a lot of room for violence, guys. So careful what you do, careful what you wish for, and I appreciate each and every one of you. So I'm looking, you guys are all a neutral gray as far as I'm concerned. You guys are red, white, and blue. That's all that matters to me. So thank you very much. And even the guys that are overseas, if you're not, you know what? We got room for, I can tell if you're watching this channel we got some room for you in the U.S. today. We got a little room. We got a little room for you. We got some spaces carved out for these badasses that need them a flag to really be proud of. And guys, don't give up. America's what we make it. Okay? America, what you make it. You guys don't give up. And know that we all want the same thing. As a whole, we all just want unity, baby.
So while Jared was inside, I was on that red SSR right there, riding a wheelie up the hill. And mid-wheelie, the left grip pops off. So I'm doing a one-handed wheelie. And I grabbed the handlebar really quick. Almost ate shit, but luckily the camera wasn't rolling. So I totally forgot. I got us a bottle, bro. We're popping bottles tonight. Seriously, dude.
He looks like the goddamn Patriot, Mel Gibson, walking over there. I got a cake, bro. We could just set up a cake right here and you jump right through it.
I don't think we're gonna jump the cake. That sounds like shit.
See you make
your
it.
mom just said, bro.
What?
She was like, "You're gonna get shot," and I was like, "What? By who?" And she's like, "Who do you think?" I was like, "Jared." She's like, "I just know that look when he's about to kill one of his friends." I was like,
No, she did not.
Did he pull his gun out? Like, what happened?
She did not fucking say that shit, dude. She did not say that,
I swear, bro. I swear to God, dude. Swear, dude.
Don't run me over.
Oh, holy shit. Dude, oh my gosh. Oh no, dude. Oh no. What? Oh no. Bro,
That was the roughest fall I've had in a while.
what
bro.
is that?
The bullshit little
Oh. Dude, you thudded like a bitch, dude.
Dude, it pounded my shit.
Yeah,
on
dude,
my
it
skull.
thudded like a bitch, dude. I thought it was like, I don't even know. I don't even know what I thought, but all I know is you hit the ground. Some people felt that.
So I was asking him how it happened, and apparently I pulled the grip off my right hand. I was
Still
like,
in
I
your
never
hand.
let go, dude. I didn't even loop it.
You didn't even.
The grip
it was
just-
in his hand the whole time.
The grip just, let's leave that off for now.
Here, dude, I got us some Cristal, dude.
What?
Dude, look at that, bro. I had to order that.
You
From,
gonna,
like 50 cents.
you just gonna take it? You ordered it for 50?
Yeah, for 50. He signed it. He did it like.
Pop that shit. Let me see you. You gotta shake the piss out of it. Are you gonna christen my barbecue? You gonna christen? Don't point it
How
at
do you
me.
pop it?
Not at me.
No, dude, this is the good shit.
Oh shit. That's not gonna work, dude.
This don't work.
We've been matching the neighbors, and we go blow for blow a few more times, but he's trying to pass 3 bottle rockets.
This
Fuck.
isn't even legal in Texas.
Yeah, especially not 3 of them. You know why they're not legal in other states, dude? Because other people got mullets too, and they try and do that shit.
They're just jealous.
One went to the pond. There's a gas well next door. That one definitely for sure. Hey, for surezies, where did that one go, bro?
Well,
You know what Blake said you said? He said that you know the look in my eye when I'm about to shoot one of my friends and kill him.
Oh, I did say that.
Why did you say? Which one of my friends did I shoot?
No, I
And
didn't
kill.
say you were going to shoot somebody else. What? What did I
Well,
say?
hey, mystery solved. It wasn't true. I didn't say I was going to shoot Blake.
I didn't say you never killed anybody. Is that what you're trying to say?
No.
People. And I said you won't be his only friend he shot at. But them things you roll and they shoot off.
No.
Yes.
Now she's trying to say I shot a bottle rocket at somebody when she told him, hey,
Every horse
Jared
we
already
ever
dug the
owned,
hole for your
every
body.
horse on the-
Hear what she said
Big
that
dog.
was funny a second ago? I said, did you tell him I killed somebody? She said, not under any circumstances did I say that.
I would never say that.
But then I said, but did you tell him I was going to kill? Oh, wait. This is what I said was. Hey, man, this is as much as I can give you and still give it to you on the 4th of July. So we got the artillery shells, we got the fun. We pretty much went through this last night. Hey, where's your time machine shirt at, son?
Hey, I'm wearing America.
All right. Wire those two together. Like, this your wiring job, son?
Yeah, it's hard.
Wire them together.
I can't.
Pretend like you from Oklahoma
Okay.
and you've had enough of the system, son. And you're just wiring those together. Channel that. I'm about to light 3 of these guys, and I'll tell you why. These 3 go out to all the subscribers in the Orion Nebulon. And hold on, let me tell them. You heard me, Blake, and everybody else did. They know what I'm talking about. So this is for y'all. Best way to try and communicate with them through American freedoms and loud bangs and just short of nuclear. What's 4th of July all about?
It's all about America.
All right, turn it on. I'm gonna do this Richard Rollins style. Thanks for watching. Beer assistant. Hold this. Beer holder.
Nice.
It's not worth these magical hands to try and get, you know.